Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. This is Dadang, and for today's vlog, I will be showing you on how to do kila using a pencil. Eyebrow pencil. So before we start, I will just use this BB Holic from IWHITE because hindi po tayo magpa-foundation today or anything. Concealer lang at ito because gusto ko lang lightweight. So, this will be very quick. So, forget the neck part. And let's just blend it as well using our hands. Just like you are putting a moisturizer. Kaya, gusto ko din to na product. But this sa Sace sa 7-Eleven for 21. Around that. Kasi siya abot ng 30 pesos. And you have like, you could use it up to 7 or 10 times. Alright, there you go. You have that on your face. Later na tayo mag-set. So, let's do our kilay. Just gonna get a spoolie and brush that up. Brush lang natin mga sis. So, after mo i-brush, get mo lang itong eyebrow pencil. By the way, I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Detail Makeover in the shade of soft brown, but any eyebrow pencil will do. So, what you need to do is yung style ko, ba? Sana po ba yung English natin? So, yung style, or this is the technique that I am doing, huh? We all have different techniques, but for me, I find this the easiest. So, let's just create an outline. Go tayo ng straight from here. Going to the arch of your eyebrow. Na. And then, sa taas din na part. Parang tayo ng desired shape until dyan sa arch ng ating kilay. Dyan. And then, let's create a small line here. Yes. And then dito din sa baba. So you have that outlined. I'm just gonna create a little line here. Parang extension lang a little ng kilay. Great. So, tapos na tayo dito na side. So, let's do the same thing here. So, create lang ng line na pastaas, papunta sa arch ng kilay. Same goes here. Mag-end here sa arch ng kilay. And then, pababa. Same goes here. Wala ko ng konting imaginary line. And then, i-remove ko lang. Para alam ko saan. So, you already have your outline. Next is you just slightly i-shade mo lang or ganyan mo lang. Light lang ha, hindi yung diin. Light lang, very light before you brush it ha. And don't include here, very lang na side. Sa my tail ng iyong kilay. I-feel mo lang siya ba? I-feel. But, light strokes dapat ha, hindi yung madiin. Okay. And then, get your spoolie and brush it. Brush it. Blend it. Blend mo lang. same goes here. Blend mo lang. Oh, see, it's still overwhelming. That's why we need to have that cleaned. Blend ko lang talaga para maganda tingnan. So, if it's overwhelming, it looks like chupacabra kasi masyadong makapal. Don't worry because gagamit tayo ng concealer. I will be using this concealer, shade of Natural from Sace Lady. And just get a very small brush. Maliit lang na brush. I can't find the brush that I used last time. Just use this brush and just dip it through your concealer and clean it. Because hindi man ako talaga pro na tawag nito, taga-kilay. So, let's just clean that. So, dito sa yan. Same goes here sa top. Ang best friend ko talaga is ang concealer. Because yung concealer lang talaga yung nag-help sa akin para nice tingnan yung kilay. And then, same goes here. Pasobraan ko lang din pala dito para mag-brighten up ng aking eyes. And here. This why we put concealer or why we clean it with concealer, because first ma-highlight niya and like ano niya talaga yung shape na desired mo ba. Okay. So, done na tayo. Get lang tayo ng blending or ano tawag nito? Beauty ball. Ano? Blending ball. Asan eh? Basta ani. Nakalimut ko sa tawag. Blending. Scan me. And even so, na-blend na. Brush lang natin. Brush lang natin a little. So, there you have it. Tapos na ang ating pagkilay using the eyebrow pencil. And it's that easy, and para malak lang siya. If you have eyebrow mascara, you could use it, or you could use what's transparent na mascara, you could use that as well. But in my case, I will be using the Vice Cosmetics Volumizing Brow Gel. This is just to lock up yung gigawa natin na kilay. But if you don't have, that's fine as well. It's fine. You could like do it just the way na ganyan lang. So, pataas lang yung ating paglagay and dab. Dami lang. Alright, so there you have it. This is our kilay for the day using only eyebrow pencil and eyebrow mascara. But if you don't have it, that's fine. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video for today. Actually, a little madali na because almost late now. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, like and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Yung mga naga-discover pa lang, no? Kaya natin to, girls. Kayang-kaya natin to. Alright, thank you and love, love! Bye!